First, create the HTML page and write some HTML standards. Creates a div container with class name player. Creates an image element with ID cover, displaying the image. Creates an H2 heading element with ID title, displaying song 1. Creates a paragraph element with ID artist, displaying unknown artist. Creates an audio element with ID audio. Creates a range input slider with ID progress and default value. Creates a div container with class name time. Creates a span element with ID current time, displaying 00. Creates a span element with ID duration, displaying 00. Creates a div container with class name controls. Creates a button with ID prev, displaying prev. Creates a button with ID play, displaying play. Creates a button with ID next, displaying next. Creates a div container with class name value container. Creates a label element displaying volume. Creates a range input slider with ID volume for controlling audio volume from 0 to 1. Sets the slider step value to 0.1. Sets the default volume slider value to 1. Creates an unordered list element with ID playlist. Loads the external JavaScript file. Now let's create CSS file. Creates a CSS class selector named player. Sets the width of elements with class player to 350 pixels. Targets IMG elements inside elements with class player. Sets the image width to 100% of the parent container width. Links the external CSS file named style.css using the style sheet. Now let's check the HTML page.